The next benefit that's provided specially from Prestigio Solutions is the OfficeSuite application. This is premium lifetime license that enables you to open any kind of file like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, or PDF. You can open them, you can edit them. It's complete package. So in that case, you can also edit the file. And then, you can share it via QR code, or you can save it. So let's say, for example, we have a meeting. We open the PDF file. We do the annotations. Save. And then exit.